Hi everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about Christmas boxing. Fairy lights are soon going to start popping up in storefronts, and speakers will blast Last Christmas on repeat, which means that your customers will be expecting to see little references to Christmas in your marketing as well. Today, I'm going to get you ready to greet the festive atmosphere by showing you how to prepare your own special Christmas packages. The only thing that feels better than slicing wrapping paper with sharp scissors is finding the ideal present at the start of your Christmas shopping. It's even better when not only is the present perfect, but the wrapping has already been taken care of in a beautifully unique and aesthetic way. The present is ready to be placed under the Christmas tree without another thought. This saves you a whole lot of stress and time. If you want to offer the same experience for your customers, there's a few rules to follow. Consider using Christmas packaging, but leaving your logo and other identifying features off the box. That way, when your present is unwrapped, the excitement and curiosity lasts a little longer. The satisfaction of seeing what the gift actually is put off until the box is opened and the product itself is seen. Perfection is lots of little things done well, a quote my dad constantly repeats from his favorite chef. You can create perfect Christmas packaging by paying attention to little elements of your packaging. For example, a nice greeting on the inside of your box. Our Christmas-themed tissue paper is a great way to add a little extra class and value to your product. Packaging void with your colours and logo shows that you went the extra mile to create something special for Christmas. Christmas is cold and wet. If there's snow, well, you're lucky. But this environment means that your nice packaging can get water damaged by a careless courier. Use a fully customizable, biodegradable poly mailer to protect your fancy new box throughout the entire delivery process. Are you bursting with creativity and now are sure of how you want your Christmas packaging to look? Use our online designer. Upload all your Christmas symbols like Santa, reindeers, stars, and snowflakes. Drag and drop them all to create a box exactly how you want it. If this is all a bit cliché for you, consider taking a minimalist approach and using rustic textures and simple shapes. As we mentioned earlier, don't put your logo on the box. This means that the suspense lasts a little longer. Instead, create a box that builds the hype and curiosity of the person who's opening it. After you've picked and prepared your personalized Christmas packages, they'll be ready to go straight under the Christmas tree. Now you won't need to worry about rewrapping them or buying Christmas-themed wrapping paper or wrestling ribbons around a box. Less hassle and less waste in our environment. Think about all the happy sea turtles. This solution will appeal to those of you designing Christmas packaging for the first time. Order a small amount of sleeved mailer boxes to see how your customers respond to it. Don't worry if you don't use all the Christmas sleeved mailer boxes this Christmas. Whatever you don't use, you can reuse next year. And use stickers or stamps to put your branding on there. For me, holidays are always associated with unwrapping presents. You can upgrade your customers' experience by giving them the opportunity to create unique memories as they unbox your products. Receiving a gift makes someone feel special and important, especially during Christmas time. So take advantage of this time because for many people, as they lift the lid of their box, it may be the first time they're interacting with your brand. As I mentioned earlier, perfection is lots of little things done well. Every small detail matters, from the soft touch of the tissue paper as they open up the lid to the festive graphics on the inside and outside. It's always nice to add a little extra touch by including an inscription with a thank you note, a welcome, or even a cute, inspiring little quote. If you have an interesting idea for your Christmas packaging, but you're not sure if technologically it can be filled, please don't hesitate to message us. either on our website, on Facebook, our email, Instagram, or even in the comment section below. And I promise, we'll show you how to get it done. As for me, that's all for now. See you very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, share these ideas with your friends.